Yeah, there's this idea when I talk about point of view marketing of um, if you're going to do an intro workshop, let's say, I think there's two ways to do intro workshops. The first way to do the intro workshop is you're giving the 30,000 foot view. So, you've got the 6 pillars of productivity again. So just go through them quickly. One is sort of strategy. The other is eliminate chaos, focus your strengths. Don't leak energy, manage your energy. Rejuvenate, recover. Make success automatic. Great. So you've got these 6 pillars. And so the one example of an intro workshop would be you say, hey, come and learn the 6 pillars of being more effective in your life. And the other one would be you say, hey, this strategy one, this is the one that drew me in first when I was learning about time management and being more effective, and I was feeling overwhelmed. So you have people, again, who are in this place of I'm overwhelmed. I feel like I have to choose between advancing my career or self-care, taking care of myself. I have to choose between those. And for you at the time, what drew you forward was, all these articles around strategy, like you're saying, eat the frog first, the 80-20 rule. That was what, sort of galvanized your attention and that you were most curious about. And so that kind of workshop would be the, hey, come learn about the strategy thing. And while they're there, you say, look, if you want to be more effective and more efficient, I think the best place to start is with this conversation about strategy. But there's these other pillars. That's one of the pillars. So you see what I'm saying? They come for the strategy, but they stay for the rest of it. People are drawn in for something. You do give them that. So, one of my colleagues, Callan Rush, did a workshop I went to, and a really good workshop, really a lot of content. And it was around promoting workshops was her thing. And she had a Venn diagram. And she said, there's the 3 M's basically. You've got to magnetize, mesmerize, monetize. So magnetize was marketing the workshops. Mesmerizing was do a good job facilitating the workshop. And then the monetize is how do you actually have that turn into money? Because of course you can fill the room with people, they love it, and you still go broke. So that was the selling the packages after. And so, she could do 2 very different workshops there. One workshop is she could say, I'm going to do here's the 3 secrets, the 3 things you need, the 3 M's basically. But she decided that her evening, she said, here's the 3 things, but tonight we're going to focus on this. So she took maybe 5 or 10 minutes on the other 2, but then the whole evening was just focused on the marketing. And she gave a ton of really specific, tangible ideas, which I thought were really good. So that would be my sense, is to go down that road of you pick the strategy piece, the 80-20 rule, eat the frog first, all those things, as the kind of, if that's what drew you, be more strategic with your time, advance your career, all this. Like, hey, look, you're busy. You don't have time for everything. You feel like you're drowning. You can't, you're feeling torn between these 2 things. We can help you get a lot more time in your life with this whole strategic thing. Yeah. How does that land for you? Cool.